Fully seasoned already. Just come off of the fridge. Put to the flour, make it boil. Cornmeal dumpling here now, guys. Fully peeled, beautiful. Get it in on the pot now with the flour. Yeah. What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, like up the video. Yeah, back on another banger today. Tune in. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, look what I got on the menu today. Whole heap of nice thing on the menu. Check it out. We got some food today. We get at the market. Fresh food, guys. Yeah. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Big cooking coming up. Yeah, right there. So we got some snapper right there. So. Some fresh sea snapper. Yeah, man, fully seasoned already. Yeah, man, 3 of them there. Yeah, we got some yellow yam. We got a natural dry coconut. So you know, say coconut are going on the fish to make the fish sauce. Yeah, we got to mix the flavor of the sauce here. Pumpkin to go in the sauce for the fish. Garlic, Irish. Yeah, thyme. So we got some dry thyme and green thyme. Scallion, tomato. Flour here. Make a dough. Cook with the yam. Flour and yam with fish. Yeah, water almost boil up. Okay guys, right now I get this dough knead up right now. Because the water actually start boil up. So catch me when I knead up the dough. It's gonna be so yummy delicious. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Like up the video, guys. Comment where you're watching from. Yeah guys, look at that now. Flour fully knead up now. Some cornmeal dumpling here now, guys. Yeah. Water bubble up. Yeah guys, so I get this flour in a pot now. What? Water boil up. Yeah. Come on guys, some real cornmeal dumpling. Some wheat dumpling with cornmeal, guys. Yeah man, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Water boil. Guys, we have to be fast. Yeah, look at that. Yeah man, some real Jamaican man dumpling. So I cover up that, make it go and simmer now. Then I go peel this now. Put to the flour, make it boil. Real Jamaican yellow yam, guys. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Meantime the flour boil up. I get this yam peel up and yeah. Yam should have in the pot already. Check what I want on the floor. Alright, beautiful. I want all a new knife in the kitchen now. After, I get the milk out of this nut right here. So the fish there right here, fully seasoned already. Just come off of the fridge. Look at it, and marinate in a season. So put it right there. So I can get the yam peeled up now. Yeah. Yeah guys, look at it now, fully peeled, beautiful. Get it in the pot now with the flour. Guys, look at that. Yeah guys, fully peel up now. Yeah. So we'll leave got this piece for next day. Fish over this and marinade. Check out the pot. Ready. Yeah. Yeah, flour ready, flour ready. Yeah guys. Flour fully cooked. Look at that. Yeah, we'll get this flour pot off of the fire now. So get the fish ready up.